Hey guys, we're going to replace the front emblem here on this Mercedes. Most of the Mercedes, the front emblem are pretty much the same as far as installing and removing. It is a two-handed job, so it's going to make it kind of difficult for me filming and doing the job too. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you up close the part. Okay, if you can see, this is the locking ring right here. It has there. Okay, so this is the locking ring for the old part. I've done took it off. I'll show you how it actually comes off in just a minute. Here's the new one here. So if you can see in there, it's got little I guess you could say kind of a clamp that keeps it installed. So let me just show you right quick. Okay, I've done took the locking ring, goes on the inside, and it goes up this way. Let me show you. So we're going to remove this one, and if you can see right there, when you push that locking ring up and then spin it, it locks into that little slot right there. And there's one on the opposite side that's the same way, and that's what locks it into place. And this goes, if I can get, okay, so it's turned with them plastic tips, turned up like that, and then this piece goes down on it this way. It goes down on it this way, and actually you'll come down and then push it in this way, and then you'll spin it and lock it into place. So that's how it goes in. And if you look in the hood where I took this one out, it has slots right here that it actually sits in, and that's what keeps it from spinning around. So it locks it into place. You can see right there. So then when the new one will go in the same way, it just goes in, locks in, and then you put the pin in from under the hood right up onto it, spin it, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. So takes two hands. I'm going to get to this and put the new one in, and then I'll give you a good look at what it looks like installed on the car. Back with you in just a second. Okay guys, I'm back. That took all of about 2 minutes to get this new one put into the hole and the pin put in and twisted to lock it in place. So now this is in place and it is attached. So now I'm going to raise the hood and then get up under here so you can kind of see the new one is in place. So you got the little rubber plastic tips on the end, and what that does is push up against the hood, which puts pressure on it down, so it keeps it from being wiggly or anything. And when I put this in place and spun it, it locks it in place. This spring that you see right here is the spring that holds the actual ornament onto this piece right here. So this is the piece that spring holds right here, right there. But it's a very simple process. This ornament cost me just under $18. I bought it on eBay, so it really isn't that expensive, and it's a very easy fix. So if you have one on your Mercedes that needs to be replaced, just know it is something, in my opinion, anyone can do. I would suggest getting you a pair of channel locks. I used these old channel locks here, these are Stanley channel locks. They're not the best that I've ever owned, but I use these channel locks to get up in here, hook, grab on to these little ears and twist it a little bit to free it up, and then just tug on it and it pulls right off. And so then you take the rest of the ornament out the top, put your new one in, and then install your clip, and you're ready to go. It really was an easy fix on this car. So there it is, replaced, fixed, and ready to move on to the next challenge. Check you later.